How to cancel stuck upload on Instagram. In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to cancel stuck upload on Instagram. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app as you can see here. From there, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen as shown here. This will take you to the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, you will land on the Settings and Activity page of Instagram. This is where you can manage and make changes to the settings of your account. From there, scroll down carefully. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. Once you are there, tap here, Log Out. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your action. Once you log out, all current processes, including the stuck upload, will stop and you can then log back in. However, sometimes Instagram may prevent you from logging out due to the ongoing upload process. If that happens, simply exit the app completely and open the Settings app of your phone just like you can see here. From there, scroll through the Settings menu and come to this section. After that, tap this option here named General. On the General section, there are many options as you can see that you can use to manage and make changes to your device's settings. From them, make sure you tap this one here named iPhone Storage. Please wait patiently for the page to finish loading. These are all the different apps installed on your phone as you can see here. From them, look for Instagram and tap on it. Once you do that, you will see a page with two options. From the options, tap on this one here named Offload App. A menu will appear asking you to confirm your action. Go ahead and confirm. This will not delete your important data from the app, but instead it removes all unnecessary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. After that, reinstall the app and then log back into Instagram to see if the error is gone. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to cancel stuck upload on Instagram.